Hi, Pawan. Welcome to Yamapi Talks.
Yeah, hi, Subbu. How's you doing?
Great. How are you doing? How are you?
Yeah, I am fine. Not so great, but fine. Okay.
Sorry?
Not great, but okay.
Okay. Okay. So we have already done two podcasts together. Now
Yeah,
I'm going to interview you
yeah. That's
about
why
your
I turned on my video. You
yeah
already done this podcast.
yeah. So and here we are going to talk about your the two films that you have directed. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Here we are
Yeah.
going. This is about your the two films that you have directed.
Uh,
And yeah,
in what perspective? I mean, sharing
like yeah, we talk. Yeah. Okay.
technical wise or writing wise or experience wise.
Everything we spoke about everything. Yeah. Okay. And I'll ask you. Okay. What's the writing process of both the films? Like,
Hello, your voice is breaking. Hello.
yeah.
Yeah, repeat the
What?
question. Your voice.
Yeah. What's the writing process of yours and for the film? Yeah. How did you wrote this?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For the first film, you know, I never thought that I will make a short film.
Okay.
After seeing lot of films, there are some scenes, getting into mind, flashing into my mind,
Yeah.
some own scenes, and I'm just
Okay.
arranging them and I'm just visualizing them in my mind.
Okay.
So I told the same to my friend, and then told him that let's try to make it as a video or
Okay.
kind of short film kind of.
Okay.
He laughed because no one knows whether we can do it or not. He laughed. How can you do that? You don't know technique, you don't have camera, you don't know editing, how can you do that?
Like,
So
sorry.
actually we
Like after that, it is great. You don't have a camera or and then
then
yeah.
I just I told him just let's try.
Okay.
Whatever happens will happen, let's try. So we asked a friend who had camera, just bring the camera. You are the cinematographer or you are the DOP or whatever.
Okay.
He
Okay.
said, I don't know nothing about camera except
Okay.
taking snaps. You only know
Okay.
how to take photos. You don't even know the video thing, the frame rate and
Yeah.
slow motion
Okay.
at all.
Okay.
Even I too don't know. So just come, let's try. And so they don't know the script. So I've noted down, my first
Nobody
idea
knows
was
except you.
nobody knows
Okay.
except even I too don't want not write the script on papers and note it down. I thought I can make the film by recalling the scene,
Yeah.
whatever I did,
Okay.
but it's not possible. At that time,
Okay.
you can't recall every scene. So
Yeah.
I haven't written a screenplay format, which usually you have to do. I just written in some kind of lines,
Okay.
some
Yeah.
B1 character. That's how I've written. And I've asked a lot of my friends to act. So five of them came to act. So I convinced them, and the process is I have to call the cameraman. He'll come and hello,
Yeah.
yeah,
You have to call the DOP and then
DOP and then actor, and
okay.
I show the line to that line, the dialogue to actor, and told him just say this dialogue. That's how we shot the entire thing. They don't know what they were doing. For the
Okay.
first
They just believed
basketball
in you
scene,
and they did okay.
not even believed in me.
Okay. Okay.
They just came because I requested them.
Okay.
Uh, but I have the confidence I
Okay.
can complete it. My vision is to complete the entire structure and to get some video out of it.
Okay.
So they will like it afterwards. I know they laughed something, and
Yeah. Yeah.
one person know that it's going to somewhere, and the rest of all were just they're just listening to me.
Okay.
basketball sequence you find that music, an iron ball music.
Yeah.
It took us almost a day. I thought it will matter of 1 hour to take, that only that shot. He just dribbled for 3 times, shot, and came back to sit on bench. That entire thing is the first day shoot. We started that sequence, and that entire thing take us
And
half of the day
this is the
mostly.
first shot that you directed.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
the
Okay.
dribbling shot.
Okay.
So that was the first shot.
And
So that's it. It took
how long it took? Yeah.
half of the day. Like
Okay.
we started, we came to the court at 8 a.m. And we packed up. I mean, we wrapped up at 1 p.m. It took where they say sitting on bench, the 3 members. We shot that dialogues too. So it took us half day to shoot that entire basketball court thing, and so they gave it up. They're like,
Okay. Sorry. Like after that, you just packed up and then.
We just packed up after that basketball scene, and
Okay.
also the conversation. The 3 members were sit together to on a script, and we did that because it's just couple of dialogues. So after that, they're like they're giving up. I mean,
This
we
is not
came
working.
at not like that.
Okay.
They came at 8 a.m. and it's 1 p.m.
Oh.
Duration we did it successfully, but we haven't had this tiffins, or we haven't had not even water.
Okay.
The sun is on top.
Okay. Yeah.
Concentrating on shots. I have some photos. If if you want to see, I'll just share a couple of films. Couple of shots. Yeah. Just wait. Just pause the recording. I'll say.
Yeah.
On to. So you can able to see it.
Yeah.
I was just going to start shoot.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. I can see that. Yeah.
So started.
Where is this? I mean, the place.
The place is in Kakinada.
Okay. Yeah.
He is our DOP.
Okay. Yeah.
They're busy with some photo shoot.
And this is you. No. This is okay. Sorry. Yeah. Inside there. Yeah. This guy acting.
This is me.
Yeah.
The man behind So, this is see the first shot.
Yeah.
This is the first shot. So
yeah.
After some time, but it's fun.
Yeah. I know. I've also experienced kind of it.
Yeah.
Like
you see this guy. He's the one who read the script because he interested. He read a lot of books. He read film. So I just threw the script away. Just while time of shooting, he just took it and read the entire script, and he told me it's nice. Kind of. He is the one who reacted to script at certain point of time. I just took the camera from DOP because I'm not doing well. Enjoy that film. So we have 2 cameras. One is clicking our photos. I just planned 2 cameras to shoot it in 2 angles, or it will use. But he's free and he's clicking photos of us.
Yeah, the shooting was fun. Yeah. It's really fun.
I see. I took the camera from him and saying.
Yeah.
So that's how.
And this guy, everybody is your classmates, okay? Or
Yeah,
yeah,
classmates, friends, everybody. One is our mutual friend, and
okay.
another one, and rest of the four were our classmates.
Your college classmates, yeah.
Intermediate classmates, intermediate and also school. We used to study. We have studied in same school, but we are not familiar with our faces because
Okay,
we
okay,
got used in intermediate.
okay. Yeah.
But we did in
Intermediate in the sense like the 11th and 12th
plus
standard,
two.
the treaty.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah.
But
Okay,
we
okay.
did the short film
Yeah,
in
because in Tamil Nadu,
engineering.
we call it like we call that it's also the school. Okay.
11th, 12th.
Yeah, like no, it's like a school boy. If you're at 12th
School.
standard, then, it's a school. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's it. Yeah. Yeah. I think only in Tamil Nadu only this thing is happening, like this kind of system. Because in Kerala also they call it as a pre-degree, then
Yeah.
plus two or that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So and the name of the film is Anomaly. Okay. It is
Yeah.
means like different from this normal
Yeah.
or usual kind of it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so
Yeah.
different.
Yeah. True.
So
Yeah.
why you want to name it like that? Or you
Uh,
named it first and then you wrote the script.
the name first I named itself, and then I
Okay.
went to script. The
So
name
you want to
came
do
from.
something different. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have
Okay.
an idea, and then I
Okay.
named, and they changed the script accordingly.
Okay. Okay.
My
Okay.
first
Okay.
thought was the film will be, it's 5 minutes cut.
Okay.
My first imagination was,
Okay. Okay.
if I shot that film, no one gonna find what was happened. So my
Okay.
friends were, what's happening? What? Even I too confused sometimes. That
Okay.
the complex is the screenplay and
Okay.
the bike. Yeah, it's very complex. So they told me to extend, so I just extended, which resulted as some lag in ending.
Okay.
It's an editing fault. There
Okay.
is a lot of lag in ending.
So you
It's an editing.
shot that, like you shot that.
No, I haven't shot my previous version. I shot
Okay.
the final version.
Okay.
After I changing
Then
the script and stuff.
the editing fault,
I
which
I did the
this
editing.
one. Okay. 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 Yeah.
Yeah, I did the
Yeah.
editing. First time I've shown the film to my friend who isn't acted, he excited and told,
Okay.
"No worries, no stuff." He never told me that there is lag, but after a lot of people told there is editing, and there are a lot of glitches in editing too. I thought I have to use every thing that I shot.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't want to
Like
waste it.
yeah,
That's how I behaved.
every creator have this thing.
Uh,
Yeah.
that's how I behaved. But I would have been cut. The first one is script I like from both, but the
Okay.
craft I like second one. So coming to the title, have you seen Interstellar?
Yeah. 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 I have.
In that there is this word called uh, gravitational
Yeah.
anomaly.
Yeah. Yeah.
From there, I don't know what anomaly means then, and then I searched for it, and that registered in my mind. From that word, okay, let's show uh, two persons or who are narrating the same script but in different perspectives. So the script is same. This
Okay.
person A and person B will narrate the same script to his friend, but the perspective is different. He tell him in victim's perspective, and he tells him the robber's perspective. And then normally, uh, it's something unexpected. A lot of people think
Yeah. Yeah.
that they were hacking banks or account numbers or something like that, but in ending, it will just bikes, just
Yeah. Yeah.
common sense. He left the key on bench and he just
And
take it away.
yeah.
That's it. So that's what I want to convey. And the first shot resembles the meaning of the tag anomaly. Means
Sorry, the
if I
first
told
shot.
the first shot, the title shot,
Yeah.
anomaly
Yeah.
shot.
Yeah.
Do you remember that how
Yeah.
title came?
Yeah. The bottle. That
Yeah,
thing. Yeah. Okay.
yeah. If I tell you to imagine a beer bottle, it's common to have the beer bottle in beach. If I tell you to
Okay.
imagine the beer bottle in beach, you will imagine in different ways, but
Yeah.
you don't imagine in the way I showed.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. That's
Yeah.
what. That's why I used that bottle in beach. And my idea was after the guy hits the bottle, the camera should turn like this, but we can't able to make it. It's very tough
Okay.
thing
Okay.
to do.
Yeah.
But we can. It's it's easy to do it in editing, but I'm not aware of that while telling.
Okay.
So it's the reason behind it.
Okay. So
It's
like
purely inspired by Interstellar.
yeah.
Knowledge.
Okay. So and the second film has this the curious around the both films like how can I say it's something even the second film also like from the starting film it has some thrill kind of thing, you know, the music, the thing that you use, okay, the music that you use that making something like a thrill. So you want to make this thrill like
What I can't get your question.
like this film have some suspense thing, okay? This anomaly have some suspense.
A
Yeah, this,
suspense, okay.
yeah,
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 yeah, yeah.
yeah. And that film didn't have that for, at first, but it's just making like the audience like what's gonna happen next, like this thrill thing, okay? When they're watching it,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So you want to make you want to make this
It's
thrill thing, yeah.
yeah. The first thing for the first film, I want to twist the audience,
Okay,
and the twist should be enjoyed while they're watching the film for second time.
yeah, yeah.
But I failed to do that. I mean, a lot of
Okay.
people liked it, but it's not. You know, if you see Nolan film, you'll enjoy
Yeah, yeah.
second time or
Okay,
third
that
time rather than first time.
yeah,
I want to do that thing in first film, but I failed to do. For the second thing, I started reluctantly. Actually, the script is not too engaging to me. It's
okay,
just
yeah,
normal, linear.
yeah.
I did that, but a lot of people like the second film,
But I like the first one.
and few liked either either of them.
Yeah, I like the
Haven't
first
liked
one.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah, you like
yeah,
the first one.
the first one was brilliant.
Yeah. The second, the reason, the thing behind second is after I'm done with first one, I came to hostel. So
Okay,
those were the guys. So I did the first film after completing the engineering first year in summer holidays.
okay,
So after coming to college, in my hostel, they were like, "Oh, you made a short film." That's a kind of.
yeah,
It's normal.
okay,
Then I started narrating stories to them.
okay.
And
Hostel
one
mates.
day, yeah, Astromax.
Yeah,
One day, I told them, "Let's make a film, but we don't have a camera."
okay,
That's what I'm lack of. If there is camera, I can start the shoot next day without any
okay,
script and stuff. I'll just go and shoot something.
okay,
But I tried for a camera. I
okay.
promised them that I will take a short film
Then,
with my hostel friends. I told
okay,
the
yeah,
story.
okay,
I just narrated the story while we were eating. Like I said, I've seen the five members before me. One person have told the same thing to them. There are guys in hostel having seven interests, and they're doing
okay.
engineering. Only one person who is interested in engineering, the protagonist, the
Yeah,
main.
yeah, yeah.
So the question will be raised by him, and the answer will be shown in that, talking to his parents. That's why they're studying.
Yeah.
But my thought was to show, if you have if you are interested in something, just do
Yeah.
what your
Yeah.
parents striving you to do, and also manage the time to your passionate thing. That's what I want to say, but I failed again. It's like, leave that engineering thing and go for passion. It's not
Oh,
like that.
but
It's not works.
it's kind of a little motivational. It's like it's kind of
Motivational,
yeah, yeah. It's kind of
yeah,
yeah,
motivational. But yet, I want to tell in such a way, like, you have to study, and you need to manage that.
yeah, yeah. Because in this film you showed that if you have passion means just go with it. Yeah,
Just
I
go
can
away.
get. Yeah, yeah,
But yeah, but I want to show that
yeah. I can.
but I couldn't able
If you
to
did
because
that means that will be amazing. Yeah.
that will be amazing.
Yeah.
And I wanted to do the same, but I missed in the script writing
Okay.
itself because
Okay.
I wrote that reluctantly. The reason behind I wrote reluctantly is so after trying for camera, we haven't got a camera, and I postponed. They
Okay.
start they started commenting on me. He'll tell like that. He'll make the film next year, or he'll make the film next year. So as a filmmaker,
Sorry,
I
what?
didn't want.
He make
This
next year? Yeah. Sorry.
they start. So I told them we
Okay.
haven't got the camera, so we are not doing this now.
Okay.
So months are passing by,
Yeah. Yeah.
and they started commenting on me like,
Okay.
uh,
Yeah.
this guy says like that one of my friend, humiliating kind of thing.
Okay. Okay.
So that gave me some kind of ego or something kind of why can't I just called my brother and told I
Okay.
want to make a film. I want to make a short film.
Okay.
Ask someone who had camera, his friend. So
Okay.
he asked a couple of his friends. There's no camera.
Okay.
Yeah, the brother I told you about, Maniratnam Films, who
Yeah.
introduced
Yeah.
me to
Yeah.
Maniratnam.
Yeah. Yeah.
That brother. So he asked, what will be the budget if you spend money on it? Uh, we can't spend money on it because it's zero returns, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
he yeah, I told him like, hello.
Yeah. Yeah. I can
Yeah,
hear you.
I told him like that. So it's okay. Just tell me.
So
So
he's saying that if
he'll
it's like a
produce.
okay. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. So I told him the
Okay.
minimal amount which I can manage. So I told him the 2000,
Okay.
and I've rented a camera for 500. I have to complete the shoot in 3 days,
Okay. Okay.
and these guys not able to give me three complete days, only mornings and evenings.
Okay.
It's like up. I've shot one sequence. It's night, so I fix an umbrella light. With normal lighting, you'll get some noise. Like your video, there are dots, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. If you shoot in normal lighting, you'll get the dots. If you want to show the clear thing, you have to use lights.
Okay.
So I also rented umbrella lights. So I fixed the lights.
Okay.
We shoot the entire night. So up to 3 p.m. And then
Okay.
I slept for 1 hour, and again I woke up at 4 or 5 and morning
Okay.
schedule. So
Okay.
that's
And the
how I
cast
start.
also, the cast people also they were
Not everyone, the
okay.
one who in frame, like,
Okay.
so it's not like one dialogue him, one dialogue him. I shot the entire dialogues of him, and that's how
Okay.
I so they can
So you will have
feel comfortable.
some problem like you have it's really for you to get 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 it this no like then that
Conversation.
yeah
Yeah, a few main scenes of shot like that
yeah
manner, one by one.
okay
So behind the camera, I use it to say the dialogue of the other one, so he can feel that, and he'll respond to me.
okay
That's how
okay
you couple of them. They are
okay
like, oh my god, you know, every basic shot they used to take 20 takes, and it's kind of. But I have to complete it because also my brother believed me. He gave me
okay
2000. Maybe it's a
yeah
lesson one, but I have to show him the output.
okay
So that's how I come. Even there is a dance thing in like, some kind of dance video at starting of the film. You remember
yeah in the
that
curious one yeah
Curious 7?
yeah
So in that also, we just travel some locations around the hostel.
okay
So yeah,
so you
that's
shot this in hostel
completely hostel except the dance thing.
okay
Dance.
so they were your batchmates like they were your hostel mates
Yeah.
okay so it's like
Nothing.
a yeah,
For them, I shot
no, like in the
so
second film, the actors are from your hostel.
hostel. For the
Okay,
first film, they are my native.
okay.
They are from my town.
Yeah, but there is common people also there, like
For that, only in cricket
Yeah.
scene you'll find the common people.
Yeah. Only one
In
guy.
cricket
Yeah.
scene.
Yeah.
Only two guys.
Okay.
One is batsman. I
Okay.
don't know whether I shown his face. One is wicketkeeper.
Okay.
These both were common
Okay.
because I shot that in Kakinada in ground.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
That particular scene in Kakinada.
Okay.
Because we completed the entire shoot except those scenes. We shot that in Kakinada by using different camera. That's why these people repeated. So that's it.
Yeah.
We completed it, and I've faced difficulties in dubbing too.
Okay.
Actually, I want to try the sync sound, but with their acting skills, it's impossible. I mean, sync sound means live song
Yeah. Yeah.
recording,
Yeah. Yeah.
check. But I failed to. Then I followed the dubbing thing. So they took a lot of time, but finally they told, okay, it's decent dubbing, and completed it and shown it to them. They enjoyed. That's it. And that's it for the second film.
Okay. So and like the characterization, okay, like in
Yeah.
Anamali, the tell me about the characterization because in the second film, like you showed them as a character,
Hello.
like yeah, like
Because
in second film you already showed that characters like this character is like that, so it's so clear. But in Anamali, I really want to know about the characterization, how you made that.
which film for which film? First film.
Yeah, of course.
Actually, the first film is. I know that it's gonna be a story driven rather than a character driven.
Okay.
So there is some story happening. The story is main thing, and you have to use actors as tools. So there is no in-depth characterization in that. There is only the story thing, which drives or strives the actors to do something. But in second, it's not story. It's kind of I'm using it to high word. It's kind of drama. One every story. So for the second thing, is also easy for me to write the characterization because I've seen the characters in life.
Yeah, yeah.
Seeing so that's it. I never really worked on characterization. I just
Okay.
only worked on how to shot, how to frame, how to edit neatly for the second film. I never really worked on characterization because I have, so
Yeah.
not the
Sorry.
lines you wrote.
Sorry.
So I haven't had the good actor to
Okay.
show the depth of writing. So I haven't tried
Okay.
the deep characterization thing in my film. But for the next film, for sure, I'm trying. We are trying.
Yeah. Okay. And we'll give the update in the last. Yeah. Yeah. And okay. And like I would like to ask you about this thing, like what's the name? Yeah. And so what about the dialects? Like you said, you like you used to imagine the visuals, and you
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
write it.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
what
yeah.
about the dialect? How you made it? How you wrote it?
Dialogue.
Yeah.
For the first film, I want it was intentional to put minimal dialogue. So if you see
Okay.
the first film, the dialogues were too less. Even I want to remove a lot of dialogues, but for the first film, I haven't. I just wrote normally.
Okay.
For the second film, the dialogues are important, but I failed in writing good dialogues. Those were like childish. I mean, I used to laugh after
Okay.
seeing my film. Those were childish. Now I learned a lot, about dialogues and about writing. No,
Okay.
you don't have to tell the dialogue directly. You have
Okay.
to use the minimal thing, and you have to show that on face. So lot of things I learned. So third one is not gonna be like a NEPA filmmaking thing. It's gonna be a good one.
So okay, and like, do you got any writers then or not? Like, like because in hostel, lot of people told you that I want to become this guitarist or something. Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to become musician. I want to become cricketer, and they like everybody told me about I I I want to become an actor. I want to become a
Yeah,
director.
yeah. The
Okay,
yeah, only actor. In the
okay,
first film, the guy in between the two. I mean, there are three,
okay.
right?
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
there is one who play basketball. His intention is to become actor, and the guy who narrate the story in terrace,
Yeah,
from two, the
yeah,
anomaly
yeah.
film. He's kind of had the ability to write.
Okay,
He had the ability to, but I don't know them. I never asked
okay,
him what film. Our tastes were familiar. Later,
okay,
I got to know that he likes
okay.
GVM,
Yeah.
and yeah, he's capable of writing. You know, uh,
So did
I
you?
collaborate
Yeah, yeah.
with him. But for
Sorry.
the both films, but the both short films I've done, I've penned my I've penned
Yeah. Okay. Did you got any frustrated? Did you frustrated by your actors? Like they did not acting like well. So what are you doing? Did you get any
course,
frustration
man.
for this?
Yeah, of course,
Okay.
of course, yes. Mostly for the second film, but I
Okay.
haven't showed on them
Okay. Okay.
because how can you expect a good acting from is I'm doing direction in flow because I already done the first one.
Okay.
Uh, for the first one, I faced difficulties to frame and stuff. They are not good at it. They are learning, or they are. I am introducing to them to acting world. So I've controlled.
Okay.
I've never shown on them because don't show on them. It will create negative. And as a fan of MS Dhoni, I can
Yeah.
able to control.
I'm going to say that, but you already mentioned.
He has he had the huge impact on me. That's what made me complete. Is
Sorry? Yeah,
you
yeah.
comment?
I've got stuck. Sorry?
I just controlled like him. He had the huge impact on me. So I just showed them the results. The guys who
Okay.
commented on me after seeing the film,
Okay.
they are happy. That's what I want to see.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm proud of it. Their happiness.
Okay. And your brother?
Yeah, my brother is also happy,
Okay.
but I'm getting voice. Yeah, he's happy, but he told me one thing that I told a similar thing that the story is about balancing and studying. So he's the guy who told me that you failed to achieve it. I mean, to show to convey,
Okay.
but
Okay.
rest of the things you really developed a lot from comparatively with the first film, and also told for the writing thing you should have concentrate or you should have collaborate with some other people. From direction wise you're okay, from writing
Yeah.
side you have to collaborate. So that's what he suggested me, and I told yeah, next and like not a lot of stories to approach. Nothing worked out. I mean, because I haven't took any decision on them.
Okay. So
It's like
which?
normal thriller
Yeah.
stories.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I want to show them, little dramatic, little emotional, or little, soulful kind of story like Money Desar's film or GVM's film. So I'm waiting for that.
And like, which is the moment that you believe that you are a director? Yeah. Which moment? Okay. This. Okay. And which shot that you really love? The which you directed? Yeah.
Which shot you're asking me? Which shot that I believe
Yeah.
myself as a director?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I think the title shot in
Yeah.
Anomaly.
Yeah.
So, my favorite shots were the title shot in Anomaly and the in Curious, a man who is interested in defense sits on
Yeah.
bench, beach behind,
Yeah.
and he takes the stopwatch. The entire shot, there is single shot. It focus on the bottle and book. So that was
Yeah.
the shot I like.
Okay.
So, but shots never made me believe that I can be a director. The only thing I got when I got confidence was the basketball scene, the entire scene after shooting it. I've edited it. I've said
Okay.
sit down before the laptop and I edited it, and I've seen the output making something. That's it.
Yeah.
So that's it. Filmmaker is you
Yeah.
are making a video with some audio and credits. That's it. Either either you will be a good filmmaker or bad filmmaker. It completely depends upon
Yeah.
opinion or learning curve. But you are a film.
Yes. Sorry.
Yeah,
Either like
either you will be a good filmmaker or a
or
bad filmmaker. But you are
yeah.
which people have. You may learn. You may
Yeah.
grow. Yeah.
Okay, so like, who's your inspirations and when did you started like, I'm going to direct a film, like I'm going to become a director or something like when did you started thinking about it and who inspired you to?
But the first film, undoubtedly, Christopher Nolan.
Yeah.
After seeing all of his films, some scenes were getting into my mind. I just want to shoot them, and I did the same. That's why I put the, that thing inspired by Nolanography. For the second film, also his influence is there because of the music I used and stuff. But I have natively I had the influence of Mani Ratnam sir and Gautam Vastudev. But I haven't tried their way.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
now these were the guys driving me to do something. I don't want to become a filmmaker. I just decided I don't want to become a filmmaker, but I'll get one good camera, Canon 1D or something. But I'll shoot something on weekends with my friends or with my
And
neighbors or whatever.
yeah, I really
So,
enjoy it.
and I enjoy that moment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because a
And
lot of films were coming. There are a lot of films to see.
yeah.
So, so that's it.
Yeah, so like, which time, like, which is the time, like, which age you, that you decided that I'm going to, like, I at least want to be, at least want to direct a short film. At least,
The idea
yeah,
came into my mind was I used to narrate some kind of while I'm
yeah,
eighth
and
standard.
okay,
Eighth standard.
okay.
Uh, I used to have some kind of phone in with me, with my mother's phone. There is an
That is it.
use
The phone. That is it.
editing software. It's
Okay,
a
okay,
Sony Xperia
okay.
software.
Yeah,
So I've started editing videos like putting Dhoni
yeah,
pictures in video and background music and writing some quotes.
yeah,
I don't know. I don't never had an idea of being a filmmaker and just doing that. From it started, and then I used to write the dialogues with different words that I've seen from Trivikram films in
yeah,
Telugu, and used to tell them with my mother. So these were the days I started, but the I was started when I'm in intermediate. We use it to make a film, but we haven't make a short film, but we haven't because of dates or this kind of not dates, the inconsistency, some kind of the patience. I have
okay,
the patience, they don't.
okay,
It's a silly story. Couple two batches. There is war fight between those two batches in intermediate.
Okay, okay.
So at last they will, what, they'll
Yeah.
they'll love each other because
Okay,
they were leaving the college. That was the
okay.
story. But the first sequence, because I told them to,
Sorry,
you
the
know,
first sequence?
is
Okay,
fight in
okay.
football
Okay,
ground.
okay, okay.
Batch one is playing football in ground, and batch
Okay,
two comes into football ground to beat them.
okay.
Uh, so in that scene, they were really fighting. Someone got blood too.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's how we shot it. And
Okay, then you haven't edited or anything. Okay, then
engineering, yeah,
after that, after that you haven't completed the shoot or anything. You haven't
issues.
come. Okay, okay. Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
After that,
Yeah, after that you haven't completed it. That's what I'm asking.
no, I want to complete it, but
Okay,
everyone went to different cities. They got
okay,
admissions,
okay.
so it stopped like that. But the person who acted, two people
Then
were acted in
this
the
is when this
anomaly
is your
in
pre-degree
intermediate.
time. Okay, yeah,
Yeah, pre-degree.
yeah,
Yeah, we're done with
yeah,
test two,
yeah.
and
Sorry.
we are done with the second year of the
Yeah,
pre-degree.
yeah.
In that holidays time, we
Yeah.
started.
Okay.
But after that, everyone got calls from engineering colleges, and they went. So we stopped.
Okay. So it's like your five favorite films of all time from all the languages. Yeah.
It's very.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't answer this question. It's very tough.
Okay, just say randomly some five films. It's not going to be ranked or anything. Just randomly five films. Not more than that. Something.
Okay. It's, I'll say one film from online.
Mhm.
Uh, in Tamil, it's Varnamayiram.
Okay. Yeah.
In Telugu, Telugu, I like Ravan. I told the dubbed film. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
in Hindi, I like PK. Not PK. Three Idiots.
Okay.
Three Idiots. In English, what are two films? I like Forrest Gump. Like in
Okay. Yeah.
Hollywood
My
films,
my, my
yeah,
favorite too. Yeah.
yeah. In Hollywood films, it's tough. You know, it's not common. The film will not excite you throughout the film because it's not
Yeah.
in your native thing. But
Yeah.
the Forrest Gump, I've
Yeah.
enjoyed the every second of the film.
Yeah.
Maybe because of his acting or the characterization, I don't know.
Yeah, even for me, whenever that the guy's boot is too broken, when he was aiming,
Yeah, well, that scene
yeah,
was
that scene I
goosebumps.
always, yeah, even I got goosebumps now. That I always, whenever I'm watching that scene, I used to cry. Like,
Yeah.
yeah,
So after that, I seen a film
okay,
which I've heard from GVM,
okay,
like his favorite film, and I love that film. That film called Dead Poet Society.
yeah.
I really liked the ending. Was I never felt such a way for any film ending. The ending was really something great. It's simple, but something
Yeah.
great. Yeah. A
Mm,
lot more films like Godfather. I've read the novel.
okay.
A
You
lot
have
of
read the
films. The
not
Pursuit of
novel, okay,
Happiness. Yeah, I read the novel.
okay,
That is the only novel I read.
okay.
And in Hindi, I like Chatan Bhagat films like Goose
Yeah,
Chase, Saakar.
yeah. Even Three Kids also his film.
Written by him, yeah.
Yeah,
So, yeah, there are a lot of films.
yeah.
All Mani Ratnam films, all GVM films, all Rajkumari Hirani films.
All
Christopher Nolan, David
yeah,
Fincher,
yeah,
Tarantino.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, like and I don't know what to say. Like yeah, okay. So okay. Tell about your upcoming film, the film you are planning to do. Yeah.
Well, I feel the upcoming film as the film that I'm making. That I'm making. Oh wait, I'm not getting the line. That I consider as a film. The
Okay.
previous short films were just like testing things.
No,
So
they were
uh,
good. They were good.
they were good, but for me, it's like
Okay.
testing
Okay.
testing my
Okay.
capability
Okay.
technically.
Okay.
So creatively, this is the first film I'm going to experiment. So it's a musical film.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And they didn't know why we are laughing. Like yeah,
yeah. What?
yeah. The people for watching this, they didn't know why we are laughing at this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why we
Yeah.
were laughing was we both were collaborating for
Yeah.
this, and this film is gonna, shot in Tamil and Telugu too. The
Yeah.
first
I
short film,
think.
the first bilingual short film.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it may be late.
Really.
The output will come. It may come in August or it may come in September. It may come in January. I don't know, but it will
We
definitely
are
come
just
with good.
planning. Yeah.
We're just planning. It's just in growing stage. We don't know what will happen. Even we too don't know the script of it. We just have the rough idea. So he is writing the Tamil screenplay and I'm writing the Telugu screenplay.
Yeah.
No, both were same screenplays. We're
Yeah.
just
Like
mixing them.
yeah. We'll see. We'll see that.
We'll see that.
Yeah.
We too
We were
don't know.
going to write. Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Gautam Menon, we too don't know the ending of the film. We just go with it.
Yeah. We just know like yeah.
Uh, but
Um,
it will be kind of musical
yeah.
love story. It's not a complete love story. It's a part which the huge transformation will happen in love stories. So the main part of the love, one's one person's love story.
Yeah. So, do you want to say anything? Let's so that we end the meeting. Then, yeah. Do you want to say anything?
Anything, anything to you or anything to
The viewers or
anything?
yeah, yeah. Anything?
Sure, I've seen some just 30 minutes before I've seen some videos on Instagram. Some boys playing songs with guitar. He's just uh, you know I thought we can collaborate with him. I messaged him.
Okay, okay,
Let's see whether he respond or not. So he got good vocals and good with strings too.
okay,
I'll send you the ID. I just
okay,
uh, some some of our mutual friend posted his vocal thing. So I
okay.
went to his feed and checked some videos. It's doing good. If he collaborates with us, so we can create genuine music. I mean, real music. So it will be more surprising.
Yeah. And okay, recommend the 3 or 5 Telugu films. Okay,
Which kind of genre?
yeah, whatever like films like whether it is love or action or whatever. If it's like a anything or whatever, just 5 films that you like. That you
Uh,
like to recommend.
recommend for you?
Not for me, like just for the common audience. Yeah, like for not for the common audience. Like just like yeah, I don't know how to say it.
Okay. If
Yeah,
you want to see political drama, go for a film called Leader,
yeah, starring Ram.
Rana. It's a good political drama I've ever seen in Telugu. Uh, so if it's a love story, no, if it's a kind of engineering kind of story, then go for Happy Days.
Yeah,
Happy Days. Uh, both were directed by same, and the third one is also
Leader was also directed by Shekhar Kamla.
Kamala.
Okay,
And the
I
third
didn't know
film
that.
is Fida.
Yeah,
This is a
yeah.
love story which is directed by
Hmm.
him.
Yeah, and now he's directing also.
Yeah, love story. So 3 films were Leader. It is beautiful. Fida. From Telugu, I like him. I don't know why.
Okay.
He,
Yeah.
his films had that reality, that things which can compare. We can compare him with Gautam Menon.
Okay.
Like
Yeah,
you
yeah.
will also
Yeah, even
feel that.
even I saw a post. Okay, that post is written like Fira is the low budget Bahubali.
Yeah,
Yeah, because the share amount okay that they have got the shares is equal to the Bahubali because Bahubali had this much of budget and they have got this shares and
yeah. Okay,
Fira have
I
this. Yeah.
got you. Yes.
Yeah.
These are the 3 films for thriller, or for thriller plus emotional kind of thing. You can watch One Name Okkadani.
Sorry?
One Name Okkadani.
Yeah,
One.
yeah. Nice one.
For comedy, my all-time favorite. There are 3 films I like
Okay.
regarding comedy. Kaleja, uh,
Yeah.
and another 2 were Pelli Choopulu and Ee Nagaranike. If you are a Telugu guy, you'll enjoy it a lot.
Third film, sorry, third film.
Pelli Choopulu and Ee Nagaranike Emaindi.
Oh,
Both were directed by Tarun Bhaskar.
okay. I didn't know the third film. Okay, I watched that.
I haven't seen Ee Nagaranike Emaindi.
Yeah, I watched Elichibu, but I haven't watched this evening.
See it will be like hangover film.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah,
but
and
if you know,
Doche.
if Brocheva Avaruda,
Yeah,
it's not
yeah.
that film. Both were
Okay, so no,
different.
no. It's also like a good comedy.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you know Telugu well, you'll enjoy Ee Nagaranike Emaindi because it has some kind of comedy. Enjoy
Yeah.
Telugu.
Okay, and thank you for coming to giving me the interview in the Honesty Talks. Yeah, like, yeah,
It's not an interview. It's
yeah,
just an
it's more like
interaction.
this conversation thing. Yeah, yeah.
And soon we're gonna discuss about coming
Sorry.
after. And soon we're gonna discuss
Yeah,
about
yeah, yeah.
that film, the love
Yeah,
story.
yeah. How we were in
Uh,
this
After we were
writing
talking,
process. Yeah, yeah.
writing process.
Okay.
Not even writing. We're just thinking about.
Yeah. Going to rest. Yeah. Okay. Mm, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.